So you're here and we're talking about, once again, the Home Business Academy's affiliate program. And let's get right into it. So the reason why I love this place is because you want to come into business with recurring income if you can, meaning every sale that you get, they're on a recurring subscription. So you're getting that money every single month. So if you come in, for example, and if you have 3 of our core products, you can earn, $10,000 a month with 80 sales, because about $128 in commissions earned from these products. So imagine you're building up your clientele and you build up 80 customers with these core products and you have that coming in every single month. That's how you can sit back and compound your money and feel worthwhile versus having to do the same amount of sales every single month or every week and try to keep up or try to upgrade your life. So I'm going to show you some of our core products. So here I have, my landing page, and this is in the back side of the builder. I have my landing page, and then this goes into my free lead product. So it's a mini course and it has my offers back here. And if you're someone who's like, hey, I don't know how to build these pages, we have so many templates. So we have the regular templates that were always pre-built, great, amazing templates, high converting, more generic, and then people are able to add their stuff back here. So if you see any of these business models or companies you've heard before, there's people who already have made pages. So there's those back there. But what's even so more amazing is we have a template club, and this is one of our members who makes high-end, funnels and pages. So you see here, you have pretty much pages you've probably seen from 7-figure earners back here, and you have them. You can just add them and edit them to your liking. Booking, so if you want to book, and what's so amazing about this is one of our core products. This product is $25 a month. It's a funnel builder. You have an online store as well, so you can host your products, payment processors. We have most of the main ones. You can host your product back here. You have a CRM. I'm not going to click it just because it's going to show some information. CRM, which is pretty good. And then we have an appointment section, which I don't do any booking, but you have a booking widget as well. So you don't have to go purchase that. And you can sync these things to every, page, every part of the builder. You see I have some pages right here that I've built. So you have pretty much, just in this funnel builder, you have 50% of your business already locked in. So if we actually go into the core products, so we have the Let's Go app, the funnel builder, premium, and financial literacy. These are the three core products, but some people don't get the financial literacy because it's a one-time product. And if you get it through the all-in funnel, it's $500. If you get it later, it's going to be $1,000. So, but this is a core product. But when I say core products, I'm literally speaking about the Let's Go app, the funnel builder, and the premium traffic and conversion. So the Let's Go app is $8 a month, and the Let's Go app is pretty much what I do to keep everything in order. So if we come in here, you see I have all my tasks for today, and this, you can schedule them for whenever day. So this is how I know exactly what I need to do every day, and you can use this for any business model. They have a habit tracker, so you can show your streaks. You see these, none of these on a streak because I haven't logged in here in like 2 days. But as you keep doing it, it'll show your streak. So if you want to keep your habit up, 90 days, it's going to show you. And then you have other stuff in here, vision board, mindset, goals, notes, etc. This is $8 a month, and we pay 80% commission. And then we have our premium traffic and conversion. So if you're someone that says, hey, I already got a funnel builder, I don't want to save any money and get that funnel builder, I can send you to a page, and I'll link this in my YouTube video. I can send you to just the traffic and conversion. So this is going to show you the front end and the back end of making money. So free strategies, YouTube, short form video, whole breakdown, all the way to paid stuff, like Facebook ads. We have some tracking code stuff in here. And then we have live coaching. So we have a daily rich call at 9 a.m. and we have a traffic and conversions at 11 a.m. every day. So you can get on here, ask any question, whether it's technical or whether it's marketing wise. And Monday night, we have a mastermind as well, which people are sharing what they're doing. In our TSC, most of it is pretty much over the shoulder stuff. So there's different members that come on here and show you what they're doing and how they're doing it. So like I said, we have all the coaching, and then we have some AI back here. It's called Emerson. So if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can just use this back here as well. And then we have some bonus training. And then we have some bonus affiliate training as well. So how to start off and go and try to get your first sale. We have that back here, all the information. So like I said, you're packed. And this comes with the funnel builder. So you get this with the funnel builder if you just get the funnel builder. So it's everything you need. So instead of buying all these different courses, you can just have everything here. Plus it's recurring. And especially when you get clients that have, local businesses or clients that do coaching and stuff, these, especially the funnel builder, these clients stay with the funnel builder because all their business is on here. Once you start opening your business, and like I said, you can sell your own product. You're not going to cancel your funnel builder because all your business is on there. And then premium traffic conversions is such a close-knit organization. So people come in and pretty much stay. They come in and stay. So Let's Go is $10 a month and it pays $8 a month. Funnel Builder is $25 a month and it pays $20 a month. And premium traffic and conversions is $125 a month and it pays $120 a month. And this on financial literacy is 80% commission. So if you get it, at $500 or $1,000. And those are our core products. We even do events every year. We have an event coming up. You can do virtual or in person. So this company has been around for 7 years, going on 7 years. It's a bunch of marketers who got together and created something that's different from the industry because there's a lot of companies shutting down. There's a lot of companies switching things up. There's a lot of people opening courses that don't really know what they're doing or giving you resale rights and switching it. And this is just simple affiliate marketing, no tiers, no levels. So if you're someone that struggles with MLM, if you're someone that doesn't like MLM, if you're someone that doesn't like, all how other things are ran, great place to come in and have a solid stream of income, and they pay weekly. So this is the Home Business Academy affiliate program. I think everybody, like I said, whether you already have a business, we have some tools. It's pretty much for everybody. You don't have to offer this to the world. You can offer this, just to yourself. You can offer it to people who want to enhance their coaching. Because what I didn't actually show, and I'm going to show it actually, if you come into the Funnel Builder Academy, I'm in here all the time. But not only does it show you how to get the best deliverability in your autoresponder, look at all the stuff that you learn. So if you ever wanted to create any of these type of pages, and the normal link trees don't allow you to create this type of stuff. With the Funnel Builder, you have more hands-on. You can create a link tree with the Funnel Builder. All it is adding some buttons. Like if we go to my link tree, see, I have a custom link tree, so I can do anything with my link tree. You see, this is my academy I'm working on. You can do anything with my link tree. I can have just buttons. I can have images like, the ones you see. I can change the colors. It's very customizable for me. So that is the Home Business Academy affiliate program. Like I said, this is for everyone. You don't have to promote it if you just need these services. If you need a better, cheaper funnel builder or a funnel builder, if you need coaching every single day or just a whole suite of training and pre-recorded lives that you can access forever, this is the place to be so you can get to the next level.